Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Marvel Rivals DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. Let's fix it guys. First, the basic step, you just need to see whether your graphics card supported DirectX 12. As you can see here, minimum requires DirectX version 12. After checking that, let's go to the solution guys. Method 1, you just need to try using launch option. You just need to check my video description for these 4 launch option. You just need to open up Steam, go to library, right click on the Marvel Rivals and select properties. In launch option, you just need to copy and paste it one by one and check which works for you. Just like this, copy and paste it under launch option and just close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. After doing all the launch option one by one, if it's not work, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2 is to update the graphics driver. To do this, you just need to check my video description for these links. In my case, I am using Nvidia, so I am copying this link. Just click on the link and it will be opens up a graphics card manufacturer site. Now you just need to download the graphics card includes a program. Just download now and download it. After getting download done, you just need to open it. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After updating your graphics card, restart your PC. After restarting, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, install Directx. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome or any browser and search Directx download. Select the first link. Select the download option next to Directx. You just need to install the Directx. After the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4 is to update Windows. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it and select the check for updates, and if you have any pending updates listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. DirectX 12 comes pre-installed on Windows 10 and Windows 11 and updates may resolve compatibility issues. If this method doesn't fix your problem, you just need to try method 5. Just reinstall the game. Sometimes corrupted game files may cause the issue. Reinstalling can resolve this guys. To do this, open up Steam, right click on the Marvel Rivals and select manage and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, just select the install option and install it again. And I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.